Friend, have you ever wondered why some people live their perfect lives while others just drift on autopilot? I know what that's like because I was exactly where you are now. Work, routine, constant lack of time and resources, it felt like there was no way out. But you know what? Everything changed the moment I realized that success is a system, not luck or wealthy parents. My name is Agatha Fiala and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. I started from a regular job and managed to achieve success. Today I share my knowledge and experience with others. But now, after 8 years, my articles are published in top financial magazines. I'm invited to TV shows to share my market insights. And my biggest achievement, I made it onto the top traders under 30 list for 2024. I'm going to share a simple approach to trading that will help you understand the fundamentals. I'll show you practical steps that you can follow. Yes, you can learn this even if you never encountered trading before. I'll guide you through simple, repeatable steps that you can apply in real time. Sounds too good to be true, yes? But trust me, it works. It took me 8 years to figure this out, but for you, it will only take watching this video from start to finish. You will see exactly what I mean and you will take your first step up. Buckle up, we are taking off. Before we continue, I have something important to share, especially if you are a beginner. You are watching this video because you want to reach a new income level. But let's be honest, you can study strategies, read books, watch videos, or you can start generating income today by following my trades. I share my experience and live market analysis in real time. In our community, people learn and exchange knowledge. Right now, you have the opportunity to join, and I want to see you there because I needed this support myself when I was starting out. But here is the thing. I can't accept everyone. I work with a limited number of people because I personally mentor each beginner. Right now, access to the club is free, but I can't guarantee it will be tomorrow. So pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join my trading community. So let's start getting benefits together. Now, let's continue. Now, let's move on to the most interesting part, market analysis. I'm going to break down one of my strategies that works great for both beginners and those who are already familiar with financial market analysis. We will analyze market movements. I'm starting the analysis and let's see where we end up by the end of this session. It's time to begin. First action, I see that the value was moving downward, but then it reversed and now it's moving up, reaching new highs. We see growth potential and consider possible options. I also check the indicators. One of them is currently below the critical zone, meaning the asset is oversold. This suggests that the value will likely rise soon. On a slight correction, I consider opening a trade. A great start. Let's keep going. Moving on to the second analysis. Right now, the chart shows a downward trend, but the value has slightly corrected and entered a sideways range. This means the price is fluctuating within a narrow range without a clear upward or downward trend. It moves back and forth without breaking out. The analysis shows a potential opportunity for action. A strong start. It's motivating me to keep going. Continuing the trading session, I move to the third situation. Again, we see sideways movement and no clear trend. The perfect moment to enter a trade in such cases is when the price touches the upper boundary. Right now, that's exactly what's happening. The value is approaching the upper limit of the range. I'm considering opening a short position, and I also check the indicators. This is getting interesting. Let's continue the analysis. It's time to go back to the first pair. The value has hit a new high, but now a correction downward has begun. This is a natural market movement. I check the indicators. One of them shows a bounce, and I anticipate further decline. The second indicator also shows a reversal. Its lines are starting to diverge downward. The analysis suggests a potential correction, so I consider the options. Awesome! Moving forward, you've seen how I analyze the market. Now imagine having access to this every single day. In my community, people learn market analysis in real time. I host masterclasses, break down the market, and teach my analysis methods to community members. This isn't a dry theory. You see everything live, step by step, and you can apply it immediately. No guessing, no unnecessary complexity. Just observe and understand the process. And the greatest part, access to this community is completely free. It's fully transparent. You can study every analysis, review results, and learn from real examples. You will get support and guidance, even if you have zero experience. But spots are limited, and I personally work with each new member. So I recommend joining now to get access to this community of like-minded traders. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and join right now. As we can see, this pair is still in a sideways range, but now the value has approached the lower boundary. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. I check the indicators. One of them is near the lower level, showing a potential trend reversal soon. Very good, but we're just getting started, so let's continue. Switching to the next pair. The value has broken out of the sideways range downward, meaning the market has chosen a direction and the downtrend is likely to continue. I check the indicators. The lines are pointing downward, confirming the trend continuation. This line is also declining. We want to go against the trend. Everything suggests further decline, so I join the movement and open a short position. What do you think of this result? Shall we continue? Moving on to the next analysis. The chart shows a sharp drop. The value broke through the 1998 level with a strong impulse without building up volumes. Such movements often end in a false breakout, after which the value returns above the level. I check the indicators. They are already in the oversold zone, meaning the selling pressure is weakening. Everything indicates a reversal, so I enter a long position. We've done a great job, and we are not stopping yet. I see the sideways movement is ending, and the value is pressing against the lower level. This is a key moment. After the last bounce, the value quickly returned and didn't even reach the upper boundary of the range. This suggests weakness on the other side. If the level fails to hold, a strong impulse downward usually follows. So I open a short position expecting a breakout, and it happens. Alright, let's finish our analysis with one more trade. After a strong drop, a correction began, and it looks like it will continue. I check the indicator. It has turned upward. The second one has also bounced off the lower level, meaning the value has exited the oversold zone, and the opposite side is getting stronger to continue the upward move. There is a chance the value will retest the sideways range, so I enter a long position. Look at the results of our analysis. Impressive, right? But always remember risk percentages and take action only after thoroughly analyzing the charts. You just saw how I analyze the market and do trades, and you saw the results. You've seen the examples, you've seen the logic, and you've seen my market analysis in action. Now, think about this. If you had started developing your trading skills a month ago, how much better would your opportunities be right now? In my trading community, I guide members in real time. I explain strategies, highlight entry and exit points, and show them how to get results, even without experience. Right now, I've made access to the community free. Inside, members analyze the market with me every day. I share my knowledge, explain analysis methods, and break down real examples so that even beginners can learn. Everything is open and you can study my trades, see my results, and track the progress of others' members. You will get the chance to learn my unique approach, even if you have no prior experience. But spots are limited because I personally mentor each new member. If you miss this chance today, it might not be available tomorrow. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and start learning market analysis with me right now. See you inside!